The good Know Your Parasites Dear Tick Dog Tick Luna Tick T-shirt. Know Your Parasites Dear Tick Dog Tick Luna Tick T-shirt is a bold and conversation-starting apparel piece designed for people who appreciate humor, awareness, and a touch of educational messaging in their everyday style. This shirt stands out with its unique concept that highlights different types of ticks such as deer ticks, dog ticks, and lone star ticks in a creative and eye-catching way. It blends a slightly humorous tone with an informative theme, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, pet owners, veterinarians, or anyone who spends time in nature and understands the importance of being aware of parasites. The design is crafted to spark curiosity and discussions, turning a simple t-shirt into a statement piece that reflects both personality and awareness. Whether worn casually, during outdoor activities, or as part of a layered outfit, this shirt adds a distinctive edge to your wardrobe while keeping the message lighthearted yet meaningful.